Hi everyone, today's our topic is dynamic welcome message. We will use customer name or Prechat value in welcome message. We will use dynamic welcome message. For example, there is one custom object from that we want to fetch our welcome message and that we want to show to a customer. So this in this video we will cover all those things. So this is the third video of a service agent course series. So if you did not watch our previous video, you can find the link in description. Okay.
I am Sunil Sharma, founder of Salesforce Dream Channel. I am Salesforce certified developer. We have a dedicated team that provide the paid service. I will let you know about paid services topics later, but first I want to let you know that you can join our channel by clicking on join button on our videos. If you join our channel, then you will get these benefits. 1. We will consider your comments on top priority and you will get fast response in 1 to 5 hours. 2. If you take paid services, then you will get 30% off. 3. You will get our videos 10 days early. We provide the paid services for Service Agentforce, Flow, Apex classes, Trigger, REST services, Service Cloud, Experience Cloud, Omnichannel, messaging for an app and web, user setup verification and messaging for an app and web and community as well as external site etc. Please contact on our email sunilsharma1994.sikar@gmail.com if you need any paid service. You will get response in 2 hours once we receive email.
So in previous videos we have learned how to set up what is Agentforce, what is the different type of Agentforce, what is the difference between service Agentforce versus instant bot, how to create the version in service Agentforce. All those things we have learned. In second video we have learned how to set up some messaging for in-app and channel with Agentforce. Okay. Now in this video we will learn how to use Prechat value. Suppose in my Prechat form, I am expecting first name. So suppose first name is provided by customer. Now what exactly I am trying to do? I just in my welcome message, whatever the welcome message will be sent by Agentforce, in that I just want to mention the username that hi, and after that whatever the Prechat value, first name, hi Sunil, how can I help you? For example, so how we will achieve? Okay, so we will learn. So in previous video, we have created some flow. Okay. So our flow name was route to Agentforce. So first we want to take the input from customer. So we need to enable the Prechat. Okay. So I will create only one field. You can give any API name. So I'm giving app underscore f denoting flow. Okay. That is my naming convention. You can give any name. Okay. I'm giving first name. Okay. Data type I want to select as a text and make sure available for input is selected. Okay. Click on new version. This f underscore first name value I want to store in my messaging session. If you want to use your Prechat value in your welcome message, then you need to store in your messaging session only. So in messaging session, I will create a new field. Messaging session. Okay. Give text. Label name is first name. You can give any name, ma'am. So, first, I'm giving 255. Length I'm giving 255. You can give and click on next. I'm adding in my layout also. Click on save. Okay. Now go to my flow. I will refresh my flow. Okay. So if you remember, then last time we have created input underscore record. So I told you that input underscore record contain your messaging session record. Okay. So what when you are initiating the chat, messaging session record is created. That record is available in input underscore record. Okay. And when the messaging session is created, then you got the ID. That ID, if you want only, then that is part of record ID. This input underscore record is containing ID or name or all the variables of your messaging session. I need to use assignment. Okay. Because first I want to assign your first name, assign value. Okay. Input code dot. Okay. First, first name equals and your flow variable name is app underscore. Okay. You have assigned your value to this variable, but now you need to update in database because till now the value is assigned to this variable only. So you need to use update report, update messaging. Here you can see you can select your collection. That's why I have assigned first. Otherwise, you need to specify if you are selecting second option, you need to select your object, you need to select your ID, uh, uh, filter ID, fields you need to update. Everything you need to update here. Okay, so I will select this option. Click on save. I have updated my messaging session. Sorry, my first name to this messaging session. Now I will save this flow and I will activate this. Okay. Now I need to go to my messaging channel because this flow is called from messaging channel and messaging channel will provide value. Okay. Messaging channel will take the data from Prechat and it will provide to your uh, flow. Okay. So I will open, go down, go down. Here you can see you have something called parameter mapping. Click on new. I want to use first name and first name I want to map with app underscore first name. So app underscore first name app and with capital. Okay. Click on save. I have added that this is my parameter name and this is my flow variable name and this is linked. Okay. Now we need to go to deployment. Embedded. Okay. Click here. Go down. Edit Prechat. Activate Prechat. Okay. Click here. I want to use first name. So select the first name. I am marking as a required. Click on save. Publish the deployment. Okay. Now going to our developer console. I am just opening my yesterday we have created one via page. First I want to initiate. It will not. I just want to check that Prechat form is visible or not. Form value is stored or not. Okay. So it will not give here you can see Prechat form is visible. I have given Sunil. and Agentforce has given normal response, because till now I did not configure our value, our first name value in our welcome message. So I got the normal welcome message. So I just wanted to check. Now I need to go to our agent. Open your agent for service agent. Here in system message, we have our welcome message. Okay. So our version 1 is active. So if active, then we cannot do any changes. So I will open in builder and I will deactivate that. I will de- Now go to contacts. Okay. If you are going contacts, then here you can see you have something called messaging session. Click on that. Okay. So normally Salesforce is considering these only messaging session ID, user ID, and user language as the context variable. Okay. Remaining field of messaging session, it will be visible in excluded fields. Okay. Except time I have added. Okay. So now I want to use first name. First name I have created one field in our messaging channel. So here you can see that first name. Whatever the Prechat field value we got, that we, with the help of our flow, we have stored in this variable called first name. So this first name should be visible in this upper part, included fields. Okay. I I will click on edit, go down, first name, click on save. Here you can see messaging session update, click on that. Here you can see first name is visible here. Okay. Copy this first name. Okay. Now we need to go to the previous screen where we can configure our messaging welcome message. Go to service agent, system message. Here you can see, here we can control. Okay. Now here we need to write one expression, curly braces, exclamatory symbol, or you can call not symbol, context, only C is capital. Apart from that, everything is small. Dot. Just paste your API name. My API name is first underscore name underscore C, where I have stored my first name, which I got my from Prechat, and curly braces closed. Okay. I will remove underscore C. Now this is the, yeah, sorry, here I missed dollar. So this is the expression. I will copy paste in Notepad so that it is visible to you. This is the expression. Curly braces start, exclamatory symbol or not symbol, after that dollar symbol, context dot first underscore name, that is my API name. From whatever the API name, from that underscore C you need to remove. If you are using custom field. If you are using standard field, then whatever the name of your API name, you can put as it is. Okay. Now, before saving, make sure you select your version, proper version. I want, from starting, I am working in version 1. I will select version 1 and click on save. I need to activate, so I need to go to open in builder, then only I can activate. Okay. I will initiate the chat again. I will give YouTube. Start the conversation. Here you can see, hi YouTube. I am an AI service agent. Course, how can I help you? I got, here you can see YouTube. I have given YouTube as my first name. I will initiate again. I am giving Anil. Okay. Here you can say, hi Anil. I am an AI service agent force. How can I help you? So it is working fine. Okay. Now, first point we have learned how to use customer name or Prechat field value in our welcome message. Okay. Now, till now we have uh, only this Anil is the dynamic value. Apart from that, everything is a static value. Okay. Now, my requirement is that here currently this message is configured in my Agentforce. Currently, the message is configured in my Agentforce only. Okay. But my requirement is that I don't want to configure um, in a Agentforce, because that is my business requirement, that anytime in future our client a client want to change the welcome message in our production environment, then they can easily can configure or they can do the changes from some custom object, whatever access they have. Now here what will happen, we need to guide, we need to train our business, that you need to go to setup, you need to go to agent, you need to change here better. And after that also he or she can do some mistake. Okay, better we can, instead of storing in welcome message, better we can use some custom object. Okay, so I have created one custom object, Agentforce, Agentforce messages. This is custom object. So out of box Salesforce is not providing this functionality, but there is one workaround we can do, and we can achieve the our requirement. Okay. So first go to fields. Currently I have only one field name, that is the out of box Salesforce is providing. There you can say this is the custom object. Okay. Now there are some net issue. Agentforce message 255 characters. Click on. Okay. So I have created one field called Agentforce message. Now I will go to our normal screen. I will create one record. Okay. So my record is welcome. Name is welcome and message I will give. So from agent course I will copy. This is our agent force system. I will deactivate the agent force. I will cut from there and I will paste here. I have copied and pasted, and additional I have given some information that this value is coming from, this value is coming from, not from custom object. I just want to use some additional value so that I can understand that, yeah, correct, our approach is working. Okay. Now, I told you in starting that out of box is not provided. We have one workaround. So I need to create one field on our messaging session as like our Previously we have created one field first name. Okay. Similarly, I will create something called uh, message only. Message. Yeah, dynamic message I can do. Dynamic message. 255 characters. Click on next. Go to your flow, your inbound flow. Okay, I will deactivate. Okay. Now, when this flow is initiated, when the chat is initiated, the messaging channel will call this flow, and this flow is updating our first name, and after that it is calling to our service agent. Now, what we need to do, as like first name, we need to get our message. So I will get record. I will use get uh, Agentforce message. Okay. What is our object name? That is containing our records. That is Agentforce message. Okay. So I will select Agentforce message. Okay. Now, what is the criteria? I want to pass name, and name is welcome. Okay. So name I have brought it. I want to fetch single record only. Okay. Now, whatever the information I got, I want to update in my messaging session, because in messaging session we have created one field called uh, dynamic dynamic messages. In that, I want to update. I am taking the data welcome message from our custom object, and that I want to store. Okay. So create agent force dot the message agent force message. Okay. Now click on save and activate up. Okay. Now going back to your agent force. Go to your respective version. Go to open builder. Go to contacts. Click on this messaging session. Go down. Click on edit includes. Select your field that contains your message, your welcome message. That is nothing dynamic message. Save and include. You can cross verify dynamic message. Just copy this one. Okay. Go back. Just now you have created one syntax, not $contacts dot first name. Instead of first name, just replace dynamic message. Remove underscore underscore C. Copy the syntax. Go to your Agentforce, select your version, click on system message, remove this one and press this one. Curly braces start, not symbol, dollar symbol, context dot dynamic underscore message. That is our field name where we are storing our dynamic message in our messaging session object. Click on save, activate. Make sure you are activating version 1 only because we have done the changes in version 1. Ready? Everything is ready. Open our VF page. I will end the chat. Open again. A, B, C. Here you can see, hi ABC, I am an AI service agent course. How can I help you? Okay, this value is coming from custom object that we have kept. Okay, here you can see this value is coming from custom object. What is the benefit of doing all those things? For example, I am doing changes in this message. Okay, I will remove this custom object. I am adding this is dynamic message. This is dynamic message. Click on save. I have with Agentforce message that is containing our all the this is a custom object that is containing our all the message. In that I have just done the changes. I'm not doing any changes on any other places. Here you can see I will initiate the chat ASD app. Okay. Here you can see hi ASD app. I am a AI services. Okay. This is a dynamic message. The benefit of this one is anytime your business can change. You don't need to do any changes in your agent course or somewhere else. Message is changed, immediately it's reflect. And in new transaction, anytime if I'm doing, suppose I have changed in message, I have added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because ASDFG, here you can see ASDFG, and this is a dynamic message 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Okay, so this is the benefit.
Thank you. Please like, comment and share our video. Please subscribe our channel Salesforce Dream and press bell icon for new video notification. We provide the paid services also. To get paid services you can contact on our email sunilsharma1994.seeker@gmail.com. You will receive answer in 2 hours after receiving email.